It's the third camera I bought.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Jesus Christ, get off of me. What do you want? Okay, I know this might sound crazy, but have you seen, like, this tall, short, kind of ish, grayish guy, like, running around with a gun? Oh, slime guy? Oh, yeah, I just saw him on the left. Why do you ask? Oh, nothing, because I just had to look at it. God damn. Ree-hee-hee-hee. Booty, 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 booty. Hey, guys, we're here to hang out.
Birds, me and Bob are here. Oh, hey, me and Bob.
Yeah, no, you go to hell too.
So, maybe Bird can show you around, I guess. No. Just showing your gun collection or whatever. Okay, fine. So, this is my collection and stuff.
Wow.
But this one is my most prized possession. The birdie dog!
Oh my god, Bird, watch out!
Huh?
Ree-hee-hee-hee.
Me and Bob!
Uh-oh.
Where is he? Where's me, Bob? What's wrong? Me Bob stole my most prized possession worth of $10,000. Zod, can you just, like, give it back or something?
Gotta go!
Hey, get back here! Oh, man. Maybe that very sarcastic gotta go meant he was gonna get it back? Dan, did you hit your head or something? Just wait until they come back, because I will get it back. Totally. You think I'm just gonna wait here until he gives it back? Bird, have you been staring at the door all day? I'm not doing this anymore, Dan. I'm heading over to kill that little slime cube.
Oh, hey, Bird.
Hey, me and Bob. I was just wondering if we should take a little walk in the forest.
Why?
To hang out?
Okay. Why'd you want to go to the forest anyway, though?
To ask you.
What?
Where is it?
Where's what?
My bird it on.
Oh, I kinda sold it and got the money.
You greedy, unkindful fellow person. Come here! That's it!
Wait!
What is it now?
I actually still have it somewhere. Come and follow me.
Ooh!
It's down that cliff.
Why would it be down a cliff? Ah! Okay, let's go! Let's go! Bird, please don't do this. Well, I'm doing it, so yeah. Oh no, this can't be good. Oh, man, Bob!
Yeah, that's right. I also came prepared.
Well, were you blocked by sneak attack?
Oh, no, bro.
I had nothing to do with this. Come on, bro, let's go. Get your hands off me, Dan. I have you know I'm the powerfulest guy in the world, and I can easily kill you by, 2 seconds, so get off me.
Ooh, am I?
Give me that.